Hello, teacher Cesar. Good afternoon. I am Ellis. God bless you. I'm going to present you my big vacation collab. Big vacation. First, fall. David is on vacation and the big with his girlfriend. He is kissing his girlfriend because he loves her. And second fall, they are enjoying on the beach. They are playing their favorite game with a ball. Third picture, they are running on the beach. On the are doing their exercises. Fourth, David and his friend are eating seafood and drinking wine in a big restaurant. Fifth fall, he is enjoying the sun on the beach. She is tanning her beautiful body. Thank you. Goodbye, teacher.